how to create a flower. I've taken the paper, taken the square, folded it again, and like this. And now I mark this portion so that I do not cut it out, and I do this shape, change the shape of the petal, right? And when I cut this out, see the petal flowers that I get. I open it up now, and this is the flower I get. If you want, you can then open it a little more when you felt it is too close. You can do this. Okay, and this is a 8-petal flower. Next one is, how can you do a 12-petal flower? Plus fold on this, okay, and then press this, press this, press this again this side, and fold on this. All the closed folds should come on one side, and then you will cut the extra portion if you need, and do your petals. And when you open it up, 1, 2, let us see. Yes. Now you will shape whichever has. Just shape it. There you go. Now you can see this, and you can also see the 4-petal flower. 4 petal and the other petal.